Hello again, viewers. We're on the Golden Mile in Las Americas. Nice of you to join me, I really appreciate it. Let's just take a quick walk, 9:45, see what the place is like. So Golden Mile, lots of bars, restaurants up there. Nice wee Christmas lights here. Got the Vistas shopping centre. We head down there, down the wee hill. We'll come down to the Sun King, Chucky's, all that kind of places. Down to Las Vistas, and we can walk along 10 minutes to Los Cristianos. Let's take a wee walk down here. I was just in one of the wee bars here, doing some stuff online. Had a wee beer. The Buzz Bar, let me know if you've been in there. Quite a nice wee pint. Amstel, if you're interested. So that's the Buzz Bar. I'll go by it quickly because they've got Christmas music on, which is nice and festive, but not so good for taking videos. Got a tasty place next to it as well. I think Las Americas is quite quiet tonight, but I'm still surprised there's shops open this time. Nearly 10 o'clock at night, there's still a few shops open in there. Quite surprised. Yeah, they've got the Ganges Tandoori. A lot of people tell me it's really nice in there. I'll need to try it one night. A lot of people do recommend it, say it's nice. Let me know in the comments. Have you been? Here's our menu here. 5-course menu, 4-course menu. A lot of different things. Big menu they've got anyway. We've got First Love next door as well. We've got the Surfers Bar. And of course we've got the Friends restaurant as well. There's quite a few nice wee restaurants here. The Friends is quite busy. Quite busy, Friends. Let me know in the comments, would you recommend the Friends? A lot of people tell me it's nice. So if we go right here, we go to Las Americas. We go left, we go towards Las Vistas, Los Cristianos. We'll go left just now, just give me a quick walk. There's the beach, obviously nobody on it at this time. Normally we would have a big selection of bars down here doing Euro pints, Euro beers during the day. I don't think they're all Euros at night. I don't think any of them are going to be that busy at this time, but let's see. We'll walk by anyway, might as well. So, newcomers to Tenerife, in case you're wondering, way over there in the distance, just keep walking right round the bend, keep going. Maybe 15 minutes, you come to Los Cristianos. Probably Los Cristianos is my favourite place in the south of Tenerife. It's got more of a local feel to it, wee side streets, tapas bars, working town, and it's got a lot of tourist places. It's got the El Mirador strip, the Funchal strip, so you get a wee mix. But Las Americas, Costa Deca, you can't go wrong with them either. Just depends what you're looking for. Supermarket's still open as well, surprised at this time. Not that many people about, still open, but we'll take a wee walk down, see if anybody's in these restaurants and bars. I wouldn't think so. Normally at this time this place is really quiet, and it is quiet tonight. It's very quiet tonight in here. During the day this is really busy. So I'll take a video during the day, show how busy it is. All that. Showing you as it is, viewers. As I've said in previous videos, I've had people who live in Tenerife complaining that I mislead and show how busy it is. I don't edit anything, I show you exactly how it is. These restaurants at nearly 10 o'clock at night are really dead in this area. Showing it as it is. But this is the week, 2 weeks before Christmas. You'll find a lot of people will come over just before Christmas, a week before, and stay for a couple of weeks over New Year. So this week traditionally I think is quiet, to be fair. It is quiet this week normally. Obviously with increased tests and stuff like that, a lot of people have postponed their plans as well, so I have to be honest with you, that's affected it as well. But let's see if it's busier next week. I won't be here next week, I'm afraid, but you can check out other vlogs. Plenty of guys that live in Tenerife, they'll do vlogs for you. So we've got Chucky's, we've got McDonald's, we've got Raymond's. A few people at McDonald's, not that busy. reasonably busy at Sun King and Chucky's. They've got heaters out here. It's like 19, 20 degrees now. I've got, hold on, I'll show you. I've got a polo shirt and a fleece on. I'm absolutely roasting. I've got shorts on, hold on, I'll try and show you shorts. Nah, I can't get down that far. I've got shorts on, I'm pretty warm. I always laugh in the serious places, they've got heaters. It's, honestly, if this was Scotland, it'd be like heat wave. People would be in shorts and t-shirt, but here, if it hits 19 degrees, I like get the heaters out right away. So, it is what it is, it's quite funny. So, that's Chucky's. Guy doing a wee dancey. Got Sun King next to it. Last Vistas beach as well. Just had to be careful going down that step there. I know I've tripped down quite a few steps. So there's the Sun King. You'll find during the day Sun King is really busy, and one of the main reasons it's really busy is they do a Euro beer. And check out my previous videos. I've got a wee tip that shows you how to get a beer for 90 cents in there. Let me know if you've watched it. Keep it a secret. So Sun King is actually still quite busy. Most of the other places next to it are not that busy. Tropic Queen is very busy during the day, but again it's quiet just now. Pretty quiet. Quite like the beaches at night, they're always really quiet and calm. Not the most exciting videos to show you when they're quiet and calm, to be fair. But they're nice. We'll take a wee walk. We'll finish the walk maybe just down at Telmo. Might as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. So tonight, hold on, I get the camera as far away as possible to my wee ball face. Tonight we are on a new camera. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of the quality of the camera? Is it okay? It's a Samsung Galaxy S21. The quality to me looks really good, but sometimes that does not transfer to a video when I upload it to YouTube. But let me know. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching first of all, and if you'd like to see new videos from Tenerife, just go below the video, just about there my wee finger is, hit the red button that says subscribe, it's absolutely free, and click the wee bell next to it for all notifications. You get a wee message when I upload new videos. That will be the most exciting part of your day, I'm sure. Thanks a lot. Let's go back to Las Vistas. So if we go straight down here, we're only now 10 minutes away from Los Cristianos, but I'll go do other walks there, so check that out. We go straight down there to Los Cristianos. We'll pass a chill out restaurant, we'll go through the tunnel. Go down past Las Vistas. So just basically showing you how things are tonight. It's pretty quiet here tonight, to be honest with you. It's a wee bit busier down there, but we've got a lot of live music. I can't go down there because of the music. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, give a wee thumbs up. And I will see you in another video, probably from Tenerife. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.